Say hello again.
Hello.
Round two. Awesome. Okay, you shush. Are we ready? Yeah, we're ready. Alright, this is my second speech, and I will be here to convince you guys to focus on our efforts to create a colony in other planets. Because we all know space colonization is highly beneficial to the future of humanity. Let's get started, shall we? I'll be frank. If we do not build a permanent settlement in another planet in the next 1,000 years or so, our species will likely go extinct. The bottom line is that our existence is incredibly fragile, and a single catastrophe could wipe out everything we've ever worked towards. The best solution to this problem is building a colony on another heavenly body. Some say we should focus on solving our problems at home before we look to the stars. But I say the problems at home are the very causes of why we need to expand into space. Likely first candidates for colonization are, of course, the Moon and Mars. And thanks to corporate ventures such as SpaceX, Virgin Galactic, and Blue Origin, are opening up possibilities of commercial space travel soon being a reality. There are several ways that space colonization is highly beneficial to the future of humanity. By expanding to the stars, we could prevent humanity's ultimate demise, find resources through mining, and create new technological advancements. First, let's look at the noblest reason to colonize another planet. Establishing a colony would prevent humanity from being wiped out by a disaster. Our entire species is threatened to be wiped out by things such as nuclear war, disease, astro impact, and more out there concepts such as biowarfare and alien invasion. A space colony would allow our species to survive such a catastrophe and rebuild, especially if it was self-sustaining. Archives could be set up in colonies preserving the culture of history, kind of like an internet backup, basically. In addition, by moving humans off-world, problems of overpopulation would be completely erased. Better living conditions would be at home. And speaking of better living conditions at home for the people on Earth, another way that building space colonies could help is through mining. It would have to be done considerably, but extracting resources from other worlds can be proved to be incredibly helpful to our species. Earth is slowly running out of materials, but colonizing space would give us access to wealth and new materials. Mining would allow colonies to become self-sufficient. In addition, rare materials on Earth would be more common in other planets or even asteroids. And according to astrophysicist Neil deGrasse Tyson, says the core of asteroids are usually made of heavy materials like platinum, iridium, or gold. This leads to the possibilities of colonists and corporation bleeding planets dry for profit, which is definitely not a good thing. Which is why this type of operation would require heavy regulation. Building a colony on another heavenly planet would be incredibly difficult with modern technology. To complete a mission such as this, we would need innovations in technology. And that's the exciting part. Pursuing space colonization would lead to innovations in this technology we need. The technologies made to land the moon in 1969 revolutionized our daily lives, with innovations such as microchips, CAT or CAT scanners, insulation, memory foam, and water filters. A similar push to colonize another world can lead to comparable results, once again improving our lives through technological advances. In addition, by investing in new technologies to get a colony up and running, numerous jobs would be created, bolstering the economy back home, as evidenced by the creation of 800,000 jobs and a 2% boost to Americans' overall economy due to the Apollo mission. How many of you have a cell phone right now? The 21st century was revolutionized by computers, made possible by the moon landing. Imagine the leaps we could make if we did it again. As you can hopefully see, colonizing other planets may not be such a bad idea. So let's review. Escaping into the stars has been a dream of mankind since ancient times. In fact, preparations are already being made. The company Mars One plans to land humans on Mars by the date 2024. Colonizing another world could have some tremendously beneficial effects on human race. By expanding to the stars, we could prevent humanity's ultimate demise, find resources through mining, and create new technological advancements. In the immortal words of Captain James Tiberius Kirk, let's boldly go where no man has gone before.